This is the T-Mobile Phone Pro, and today I'm going to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the internet network. We highly insist that you use the Wi-Fi connection for it. Next, launch the Google Play Store, sign in if needed, of course. Then type in Opera at the search bar of your Play Store. After that, you need to tap on the little green install button over here, or you can also open the dedicated app page and, well, tap the same button over there as well. So let me just download and install the Opera real quick, and after that we will continue. Alrighty, so once the Opera gets downloaded and installed, you gotta simply launch it and undergo a very simple and quick setup procedure. First of all, click on this blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as the default browsing app, which I'll skip. And finally, there is this page that allows you to either customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.